Hello everyone, my name is Tom and today I will read the word paint. Interesting, similar to insects, stone, social, rainforest, to steal, tail, generally, intelligent, to peel, tribe, tribe, together, together, amazing. Next, I will tell you about the monkey. Monkeys. Monkeys are interesting animals. They have got hair on their body and they have got a tail. They have a face similar to human face. They are generally vegetarian. They like fruits and vegetables. They like banana very much, but they can eat insects too. They are intelligent animals. They can use stone and they can peel food. Scientists teach them human language and they can understand it, but they can't speak it. They are social animals. They have got tribes. They live in rainforests and they sleep on the trees. They work together and they get their fruit. Sometimes they work together and steal their food from humans. They are intelligent, funny, and amazing animal. The last one, I will answer the question. Oh, wait. Uh, one, have monkey got hair on their body? Yes, they have. Can monkeys eat meat? No, they can't. Can monkeys spill, spill fruit? Yes, they can. Can a monkey speak human language? No, they can't. Where do they live? They live in a rain. They live in the rainforest. Where do they sleep? They sleep on trees. Can they steal food? Can they steal food? Yes, they can. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for listening. Goodbye and have a nice moon festival or moon holiday.